later. Wah, superstar sia. So, can you tell me a little bit about gruptetto?
So, gruptetto is a sports and cycling clubhouse. We are located in Emira Residence Section 13, Malaysia. And we'll be opening soon a few more spots in Malaysia.
Ah, okay.
So what we do is we'll be acting as a proper clubhouse. So we do rides, we do events, a lot of brand engagement. Yeah, so come over.
And what's the usual ride schedule like in a week?
So there will be in a week around one night ride via Gruptetto Espresso Bar in Sadiambin, and then come with another 4-day ride, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Right.
Sunday will be focused more on community ride for beginner, where we also do workshop for newbies, like tire changing, how to maintain your bike.
Very nice, very nice.
Talk a little bit about bike fit,
Yeah.
you know, just here and there to help out, just to be there for the one that want to start to embrace healthy lifestyle.
Good, good. Very nice.